From traditional to emerging, from single to multiple, we uphold the pursuit of excellence, adhering to the vision of delivering a better life, to explore the infinite possibilities in life. When technology meets humanity's, innovation was endowed with a new era significance from the perspective of customer. Continuous exploration, continuous innovation based on the intelligent hangar system gradually enrich the core product line, realize custom-made. Lay out industry whole plant solution, create a fully intelligent manufacturing ecological chain. Empowering the new future of the industry with technological innovation. From the production system and conveyor system to intelligent whole plant solution, we take the lead in the number of intelligent manufacturing projects implements. Together with customers, we think about the core values that are in line with our own development, injecting momentum into the renewal of the industry. We continue to innovate and upgrade ourselves to break through technical barriers. To master the core technology of the industry, we develop a new intelligent manufacturing concept, leveraging big data to calculate optimal solutions, help customers build IoT smart factories, understand the differentiation of each customer's needs, maximize the advantages of small order quick return and advanced customization, leading the ecological evolution of the industry.
那专业的人做了专业的事情，直接传输到每个环节，就是说大大降低了人工成本这一块，也节省了时间，提升了产能。
我们的话和易达进行共创未来，使我们的整个系统运行的更高效、更智能。
创时尚与伊拿智能共创美好生活。
7 times 24 hours responsive service network provide accurate service to customers. Accurate industry efficiency improvement in every breakthrough. We need more and more partners. Appreciate each other and achieve each other. Build a more dynamic smart ecosystem with smart manufacturing. Connect the present and the future with extreme exploration. Make smart manufacturing easier. Make life better. With transmission, creation, and connection are boundless. With intelligence, the future can be expected.